Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the power cord on this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a 1/4-inch wrench, an adjustable wrench, and zip ties. Before you begin the procedure, make sure the old power cord is unplugged and shut off the home's water supply line valve. To move the refrigerator away from the wall, first open the freezer drawer and pull the toe kick plate forward to remove. Now use the 1/4-inch wrench to rotate the brake feet counterclockwise to raise them. You can now roll the appliance forward. Use the adjustable wrench to unthread the compression nut to detach the home's water supply line from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 9 screws, securing the lower rear access panel. With the screws unthreaded, detach the power cord strain relief from the panel and set the panel aside. Next, disconnect the wire connector from the water inlet valve. Release the wires from the retaining hook and disconnect the condenser fan motor wire connector. Again, release the wires from the retaining hooks and use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the screw to release the grounding wire from the frame. Detach the second grounding wire from the compressor and disconnect the start relay wire connector. Pull down the insulating sleeve and disconnect the main power cord wire connector to fully remove the old component. To prepare the new power cord for installation, transfer the insulating sleeve from the old cord to the new one. You can use a zip tie to secure it. Now connect the main wire connector and push up the sleeve. Connect the start relay wire connector and attach the compressor grounding wire. Secure the second grounding wire to the frame with the screw. Secure the wires under the 2 retaining hooks. Connect the condenser fan motor wire connector. Seat the wire in the notch in the fan housing, then secure the wires under the retaining hook. Connect the water inlet valve wire connector. Reinstall the lower rear access panel by first sliding the right side behind the water filter supply line so the line is seated in the notch in the panel. Seat the power cord strain relief in the panel notch. Then fully reposition the panel and thread the 9 screws to secure. Remember to secure the water filter supply line's retainer with the top right screw. Reattach the water supply line to the inlet valve by threading the compression nut. Avoid over-tightening the nut. Push the refrigerator back against the wall and lower the brake feet until they are in contact with the floor. Replace the toe kick plate by aligning it on the lower frame and snapping it into place. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the new power cord in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.